As you work through these tutorials, you may find yourself struggling with some particular steps. One of the things that's really nice about this textbook that we're using is the CD that's provided with it. The author has gone through each individual step and made a video to help you achieve the objective of that particular step. So for example, if I was working on the Mastering Skills teaching tutorial for Chapter 3 and I've been stuck on step 31, I'm going to use my CD from the back of the book. I'm going to install that into my CD player right now, and I'm going to wait for the autoplay tool to pop up. I'm going to select Open Folders to view files, and I'm going to use the file vidindex10.htm. I'm going to double click that file, and this brings me to an index to help find videos for how to achieve the goals that I'm trying to work through. So I'm working in Chapter 3, so I'm going to double click the Chapter 3 icon, or actually it's a single click, sorry. And in Chapter 3 I'm actually stuck or having trouble with the step 31. So I'm going to left click one time on step 31, and that's going to launch a video of exactly how to complete those steps. The author talks your way through this as well. I have her audio turned off at the moment, but she will walk through this step exactly how to accomplish this task. So if you happen to find yourself stuck on a particular step, use the CD to help make progress through that step. And it's important that you understand as you're working through these tutorials exactly what it is you're doing, because it's real easy to work through these tutorials and get everything just right but not really understand what it is you've done. The projects that I'll assign later in the class are actually tests to reinforce the ideals, so you really want to make sure that you know what you're doing as well as why you're doing it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.